Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another grocery haul and meal plan video. For those of you that are new here, my name is Ryan. I am a full-time working mom. I have a 9-month-old son and my husband and I live here in the suburbs of Chicago. In these grocery haul videos, I take you along with me as I go grocery shopping, show you what I grab from the store, and then tell you our meal plan for the week. If you guys like this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. I am back every Monday with another grocery haul and meal plan. All right, let's go ahead and show you guys what I got. Okay guys, first up for this grocery haul, we have the produce. Starting out over here, we have the usual suspects. We have bananas, oranges, and apples. I tell you guys every week, these are our staple fruits that we get for our family every week. This week I actually found these sort of miniature bananas that my kid can have, and then larger ones for my husband and I. I grabbed some tomatoes. I'm going to make a side of just roasted tomatoes for a dinner this week, so I grabbed some cherry tomatoes. I grabbed some peppers. I need these for a recipe this week, and I also eat them in salads. I grabbed some green onions for a quesadilla recipe I'm making this week. Parsley for a sweet potato salad recipe I'm making this week, and here are the sweet potatoes that will be used in that. And then I grabbed a couple baking potatoes. I've been making some variations of baked potatoes, some like fancy baked potatoes for lunches, so I was going to try a new recipe this week, so I grabbed a couple just regular baked potatoes. And then I grabbed a few of these salad kits. I've tried a couple of them a few weeks ago and liked them, so I thought I would give them a try as well. This is the avocado Caesar. I got the Asiago kale and the avocado ranch. I've tried these last two when I got them before and liked them, so hopefully the third one I tried will be good as well. Alright, I'm going to get this put away and then I will bring out the dairy. Okay, next up we have the meat and dairy. I got a thing of whole milk this week. I'm making a mac and cheese recipe that calls for whole milk, so hopefully this will be enough for the recipe, but if it's not, I will steal some of the skim milk that I bought that my husband drinks every week. He's probably in between a half gallon and gallon, so there will be extra if I need that. And then I got low sugar orange juice for him. And then for lunch meat this week, I got some Boar's Head honey maple ham and some Boar's Head honey maple turkey. And then I picked up this. I have never seen this before, and I'm actually really excited to try it. This chicken Italian sausage. I'm making a quesadilla recipe that called for Italian sausage, and I was going to get turkey Italian sausage because that's normally all they have. But I saw this chicken Italian sausage, so I'm very excited to give that a try. I stocked up on some butter for baking, and then I got some whole milk shredded cheese as well as some extra sharp cheddar cheese for some recipes I'm making, as well as the Gouda cheese. I believe all three of these cheeses are used in that mac and cheese recipe I was telling you guys about. And then last but not least, I got a whole lineup of yogurts. I got a few of these Skyr Icelandic Provisions yogurts. I've told you guys I like these. I got 4 this week to have. I got coconut, peach cloudberry, key lime, and strawberry lingonberry. And then I wanted to try out these Stonyfield Organic Yo Baby yogurts. My son has actually not tried yogurt yet, so I thought we would give these a try. As you can see, we've already broken into them. He's eating one as we speak. What's the verdict? Do we like them?
Just keeping it down.
Yeah? Yeah, you like it. So far it's a hit, so hopefully he will like those. Alright, I will get this put away and then show you guys the miscellaneous last stuff from this haul. Okay, last but not least is the sort of miscellaneous. We will start over here. I got a bunch of different kinds of donuts. We actually had a bunch of donuts. I made homemade donuts, and we had been to like a pumpkin farm and picked up some apple cider donuts. This is the first time we've gotten donuts from the store in a while. But the donuts that they have at this Sunset Foods are actually probably my favorite, so I'm happy to be back. So I picked up this 4-pack of like Halloween, I think they're cake donuts with fun Halloween sprinkles. I probably will send one of those along to my mom. And then I got a cinnamon old-fashioned, a blueberry cake, and a regular old-fashioned. So I'm looking forward to trying those out this week. I got some Ghirardelli bittersweet chocolate. This is for a brownie recipe that we're going to try this week. It's a brownie with Oreos in it. My husband's actually a good brownie maker, so he's going to help me out making those, and hopefully they're good. For frozen veggies this week, I tried these veggie spirals. They're sweet potato rotini, like fake rotini. I thought my kid might actually eat these, so I'm always looking for stuff that he might like or eat, so I figured we'd give those a try. And then I also always have frozen corn in the freezer for us. It's just a good, quick, easy side, so I grabbed the Nibblets corn and butter sauce from Green Giant. Next up, I got some elbow noodles. This Barilla pasta was actually on sale today, so I grabbed that. This is for the mac and cheese that I'm making this week. I grabbed some chopped pecans. Those are for that brownie recipe I was talking about. And then I grabbed both golden raisins and regular raisins. I am making a sweet potato sort of salad side dish to go along with some salmon we're going to make this week. So the recipe called for both those raisins, so I grabbed those. I also grabbed 2 different kinds of Cheerios. We had a coupon. It was $1 off if you bought 2, so I tried the blueberry Cheerios. We've had often and like them in this house, and I don't know that we've ever tried the maple Cheerios, but it seemed seasonal and fun, and I figured it wouldn't be too offensive, so we'd give that a try. I stocked up. We always have a jar of Rayo's marinara sauce on hand, and we're running low on the one we currently have open, so I grabbed a new one of those. And then I grabbed the Lewis's Nutty Oat half loaf bread that we always have. And then I grabbed some Utz potato chips. This is both for lunches and for to top the mac and cheese recipe that I'm making this week. And then last but not least, I grabbed a frozen pizza. As you guys know, every Friday night around here is pizza night. So I tried out this week this Connie's classic thin crust cheese. I don't think we've tried that one, have we?
Not sure.
Okay. We're always trying new frozen pizzas, and I think that's one we haven't tried. So we'll give it a try and let you guys know what we thought. So that's the grocery haul. I will go ahead and show you guys the meal plan. Hey guys, here is the meal plan. I had a quick errand to run and thought I would show you the meal plan while I was in the car and it was quiet. So anyway, on Saturday night, we're going to do leftover buca di pepo. I think it's a nationwide chain, but it's an Italian place, and we had it for an occasion a while back and have leftovers, because if you've ever been, you know the portions are like ridiculous. So we have leftovers, so we're going to have that on Saturday. On Sunday, we are making chicken sausage. If you saw a couple grocery hauls ago, my husband picked up some chicken sausages and buns, so we're going to have those on the grill, which I'm actually really looking forward to. They look good, so that should be fun. And then on Monday, we are going to be making a mac and cheese. It was in the Food Network magazine for November, and the recipe looked really good, so I wanted to give it a try. I'm always on the quest for like the best homemade mac and cheese. My dad started that tradition ages ago, that he always wanted to try homemade mac and cheeses. So I will make that and let you guys know what I think of it. On Tuesday, we're just having leftovers. I think this cheeseburger pie leftovers I have had on the meal plan list for like 3 weeks, and we never get around to it. So this week I am determined we are going to be eating that. And then I'm going to serve some just frozen corn alongside that. On Wednesday, we are going to be making some grilled salmon. That is one of my husband's favorite things to eat. So we will pick up some salmon, frozen salmon, probably from Trader Joe's. And then I am going to be making that sweet potato salad that I told you guys about with an orange maple dressing that was also in that Food Network magazine. And then on Thursday, I'm going to be making those quesadillas with sausage and peppers. On Friday, as you guys know, it is our pizza night, so we are having that frozen Connie's pizza I showed you. And then last but not least, I am going to be making some Oreo brownies. I had some leftover Oreos from an Oreo crust for a pie I made recently, so I'm going to use the leftovers in a brownie recipe that I can send in my husband lunches. So I hope you guys enjoyed that meal plan and grocery haul. I will, if you are interested in seeing the recipes from this, I will be back with a What's for Dinner on Wednesday, so you can see all of the recipes that I'm cooking this week. If you liked what you guys saw, go ahead and subscribe, hit the like button, and leave a comment down below. I hope to see you on my channel again soon. Bye!